Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how to easily turn off Twitter's sensitive filter. First, you need to know that you cannot do this from the Twitter's app. You'll need to do this from the website, so let's first go to the browser. And then we go to twitter.com. Once you're there, tap on the profile picture on the top left corner. And then from here, tap on Settings and Support. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you have to select Privacy and Safety, and then tap on Content You See. From here you have to make sure that you have the Display Media that may contain sensitive content option turned on. Once you have the option turned on, go to Search Settings and then make sure that the Hide Sensitive Content option is turned off. Once it's off, you have successfully turned off Twitter's sensitive filter. But we're not done yet, because after that you'll still need to reboot your device, and even after that it's important to know that it might not work right away on the Twitter app because it takes some time for the settings to be updated. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future solutions to tech problems like these. Thanks for watching.